Hi, I'm Douglas Burdett, host of the Marketing Book Podcast, where each week I publish an interview with the author of a new marketing or sales book. And the podcast has been named by LinkedIn as one of 10 podcasts that will make you a better marketer, and named by Forbes as one of 11 smart podcasts that will keep you in the know. I recently passed the 300 episode mark, and what's significant about that is that I've read every single book featured on the show. Now, before you're impressed, when I started the podcast, I didn't realize I was going to need to do that, but it has been good for me. No, I didn't think that through. And yes, it really has cut into my scotch drinking, which is a shame. But if you need to grow your business, or you work for a business and you want to help it grow, you're going to want to attend the presentation I'm making on November 18th with the Downriver Federal Credit Union Learn and Grow Your Business series. You can attend in person, or you can also attend via Zoom. So what I'm going to be talking about are the 5 ideas from over 300 marketing and sales books that matter most. So it's those 5 ideas that just keep coming up regardless of which sales or marketing book it is. And I think you'll find it helpful, hopefully entertaining, and informative. And if you're going to be attending, connect with me on LinkedIn beforehand so we can chat and I can ask you some questions. So otherwise, I look forward to seeing you on November 18th, and make sure to register at downrivercu.com.